Hello friends! Usapang candles tayo today. So I have this 3 hand-poured candles from Mother and Paw. Sobrang cute. I have the first one. It's called Grapefruit Mint. Grabe yung bango. Hindi pa nasisindihan. Ang bango-bango na niya. And look how cute that is. Ang cute, no? Imagine homemade to. And it's legit yung amoy niya. And it's soy candle. So, it's healthier version. Hindi siya toxic, I guess. That's what I was trying to say. This one's white sage lavender. Oh, grabe. Ang solid nung amoy niya. Ang solid ng scent. Like, she wasn't kidding around. Last but not the least, mango coconut milk. Para mabango to. Ay, grabe. Alam mo, sobrang cute niya. Sobrang, I don't even wanna light it up. Kasi, naamoy mo na siya eh. I'm gonna put one here sa desk ko sa office and then one sa my bedside table ko, and then probably the other one would go in my bathroom. So yeah, Mother and Paw, thank you, Elle. I love it. I love them. I don't even know what my favorite is. I think I'm gonna buy one of those, alam mo yung you don't have to light up the candle. Like, it just heats it up, so naaamoy mo pa rin siya. I forgot what it's called. My gosh, I don't know. Parang lahat gusto ko. I don't think I can pick a favorite right now. Bango! El, gawa ka pa. Go for it. I will support you 100%. So, Mother and Paw, I'm so happy and excited to use them. Yun lang. That's it for today. Bye, guys.